Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, August 14th, 2020. Before we kick off our weekend, typically I recommend everybody trade early in the morning on a Friday, and then you can enjoy the rest of your day into the weekend. Before we begin, trading is risky. As we all know, please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. Talk to your broker. There's a lot of money to be made as a day trader, but there's also risk involved where you could lose money. So just remember that, especially for the new traders, there is risk involved. And we start off nice and small, nice and slow, one contract, work our way up, 2, 3 contracts. I'm using the Roadmap and I'm using the Trade Scalper in this video. And that way, with the Roadmap, which some of you have, you can know where support and resistance occurs and then take a counter trend trade. That's an option. The Trade Scalper is scalping. So I'm looking for these signals to tell me buy, sell, a quick profit, in and out, and be done. We don't need 20 or 30 trades a day. We need just a few good trades, 4 to 5 trades a day, and stop trading, because at the end of the day, we want to be up. We don't want to just sit here all day and stare at this thing. The 1-minute chart is great. I want to look for some opportunities. I'm going to see what the range chart is showing me, because I can probably assume that we can get in earlier on a range chart, and the market is moving in a normal fashion. It's not overly fast. So a range chart will be good. Range of 2 with the Roadmap software as well as the Trade Scalper. So what we have here on the Roadmap software, it's giving me a signal. See a little red arrow there to go short. And the short entry is about 33.67. I'm going to see if I can get that 33.67 or within a tick. I'm using a market if touched order. Remember, a market if touched order, MIT as it's called, is a way to enter into the market at a price you want, and you may get a tick of slippage, which is okay, but you're going to get in. So 33.6675, okay, off by a tick. That's acceptable. It's not a big deal. I think within 2 ticks you're good. You don't really want to chase the market more than that. There's also, as you can see, the signal text 33.67 by the Roadmap software, also giving you a specific entry to enter short. So I don't have a Trade Scalper signal just yet. I'm just taking the Roadmap short. Another thing you may see here are these numbers. It says here 6. And the number 6 indicates how many contracts I put on. If you're just trading with one contract, the goal is $200, because the distance the market is making to hit your profit is 2 points. So without making it too complicated, each point on the E-mini S&P is $50. I'm looking for a target of 2 points. So in essence, every contract that I place will be worth $100 profit. If it goes against me, it'll work in the opposite direction. I'll be losing money. But in this case, the green area below for the target, 33.6475, would be exactly 2 points, or $100 per contract. So I have 6 contracts. 6 contracts will make me $600 with a 2-point move. It's simple. It's not complicated. You just have to know a little bit on the points and the ticks, how that works. And a scalper right here, 33.6575. Now you can go short, 33.6575. Everyone who has the Trade Scalper has this exact signal to go
Target
short.
Filled.
And you could be on your way down here for a quick profit. I just got out of my 2-point target based on the Roadmap. And let me add the text and marker so everybody could see where exactly I entered and where I got out. This trade took approximately 3 minutes, maybe a little bit less. And for $600 in 3 minutes, that's excellent, excellent. Have a good weekend. My name is John Paul. Join the next mentorship class upcoming August 24th. Visit Daytradetowin.com and email me if you have any questions. If you want to learn more about trading, visit Daytradetowin.com. Subscribe to the Daytradetowin YouTube channel, the next mentorship class where we cover all of these methods with lifetime licenses for the software.